Hello everyone, I am Freeman from Technical Flame YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to remove background of any picture within 5 seconds. First, you have to open any browser and search for remove.bg. Simply type remove, then dot and bg. Then you can see upload image option here. Just select that. Give storage permission if it's prompted. Then it will redirect to your device gallery. Then select which photo or image background is to be changed. Preparing upload. Uploading. Now you can see Alan Walker without a background. This process will take very less time. Click on download. Just download it. It's nice finishing. Now I will select another picture. You can see the blue color background is removed. Okay, now I will show how to edit or correct the image manually. Click on erase the restore option. Now I have to restore the background. Now I am selecting erase to correct this image. Now click on download. Just very nice. Now I will show how to change the background. Select any image as a foreground. Later you can select the background. Click on edit. Select the background style like blur or normal. Then click on select photo and now you have to select the background. Now background is successfully changed. Now click on download, which is appeared at the right top corner. Select download image. This file is downloaded. Let's see in downloads. Thank you for watching.